is Mike, and my wife Janice and I recently had our kitchen and main bathroom on the second floor upgraded and renovated by Senso Design Limited. So we were looking around for different contractors, and I saw the online a thing for Senso Design, and I contacted them. After doing a little bit of research, I looked to see what their ratings were, what the reviews were, and frankly, I was very impressed. The number of awards, the outstanding reviews, certainly made me feel comfortable about contacting Senso Design. Our first meeting was with Mark Sorkin, who's the project manager for the renovation. And I've done some work before myself on some do-it-yourself renovations at home and at the cottage. And I was very impressed with my first meeting with Mark. Very thorough, had a very open discussion about what was required, and was very comfortable with the kind of project design that he was, or the scope of the design that he was looking at. Very impressed when he gave us the initial quote. Was certainly well within our budget, and felt very comfortable going with Senso Design. The initial step was to meet with their designer, which was Nastya, and frankly, I am incredibly impressed how the final product is almost a direct replica of the design done by Nastya. You wouldn't believe how similar the two are. Mark then broke it all down into a project design, project schedule, and basically confirmed that the entire renovation, both the bathroom and the kitchen, could be done within 7 weeks. He set up a schedule for payments, which were based on milestones achieved by the renovations. And I was extremely impressed throughout the entire project. The skills trades were incredibly talented people. They coordinated their work with each other. If they ran into an issue, the amount of discussion back and forth and the coordination was incredible. The final product speaks for itself. We are extremely happy with both the kitchen and the bathroom. It's a timeless product that we think will live on for years. We love the colors that we worked out together with Nastya. We absolutely love the flooring. We built in some interesting features, including the under cabinet electrical outlets, so that we basically end up with a backsplash with no breaks or cuts required for electrical outlets. We have multiple outlets, which gives us incredible flexibility in terms of where we want to put any on-the-counter appliances. We ended up with brand new appliances, and we went through Mark Sorkin, again, the project coordinator for the renovation. And he has contacts. He's got, basically, as he calls it, his yellow pages of people who can provide the different bits and pieces that are required for the renovation. If you're in doubt about who to contact, I highly recommend you give Senso Design a phone call. The initial stage is the design. It's basically, only about $1,000. Even if you went that far and you went through the process and mapped out exactly what you want, then you can decide whether or not you like it or not. But it's certainly worth the expenditure. We're extremely happy. This is a project I thought was going to be far more costly than what it turned out to be. I was absolutely amazed that it came in actually came in under schedule. It was talking originally 7 weeks. It came in at about 6 weeks all in. They even provided a cleaning service at the end to clean up all the debris and the dust and the dirt. Very impressed. We are extremely happy customers and would highly recommend Senso Design to you to consider.